Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to earn Play Points in Play Store. Alright, just go ahead and open up your Play Store app, then go to the top right and tap on your profile. Now once you're in here, you should be able to see Play Points. Once you see it, just go ahead and tap on it, then tap on Earn. As you can see here, it is not available for me because I live in the Philippines, as Play Points is not available on all regions. As you can see here, I am on this article from Google itself. When I tap on the drop down, as you can see, Philippines is not available. If you want to check if your country is available, just go ahead and click or tap on this link in the description. Don't worry, I'll leave it. Now to earn points, just simply buy apps or games on the Play Store. Subscribe to Google One from Android. Make in-app or in-game purchases and subscriptions. Buy books with Google Play. Important to note, Play credit can't be redeemed for books in Austria, Belgium, France, Germany, Greece, Israel, or Spain. Content that you can buy and earn points on depends on your country. Alright, again, don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description as there are a ton of FAQs right here and also the promotions and weekly prizes. Alright, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.